AI is replacing jobs, but there's one type of brain it can't touch. Everyone's panicking about automation, but scientists found something surprising about overthinkers. While AI processes information step by step, your brain runs multiple simulations at the same time. It's comparing outcomes, predicting possibilities, and constantly adjusting in the background. That's not overthinking. That's parallel processing on a human level. Studies show overthinkers are better at spotting patterns, reading emotions, and connecting ideas that don't seem related at first. Your mind isn't slow. It's actually doing more work than most people realize. You're running thousands of what-if scenarios every second without even noticing it. What feels like mental overload is actually advanced problem-solving in real time. And tomorrow, I'll show you why remote work drains your brain more than AI ever could.